Yes, ladies. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? How y'all doing? Guess what? Y'all see the face. I just did it. Oh, let me look at y'all and not myself, girl. But look though. Y'all see the blush? Hi y'all. How y'all doing? What's up? Guess what? I have a review today. Y'all already know that, and y'all already know what it is. I was contacted by a company on Instagram called Sumber Hair or something like that. And it's like, girl. She was like, girl, you're beautiful. I want you to do a review. I was like, girl, thank you, honey. And yes. Came from Amazon. So I'm gonna open this for y'all right now, and we're gonna see what it do. Oh, honey! I don't wear wigs, and y'all already know that. Ooh, the presentation. I saw one of my friends on YouTube do a review for this company. Her YouTube channel is called Everybody Loves Jess. What's up, girl? Go and watch Jess. She's so cute and adorable and sweet. And oh, yeah, go watch Jess. Look at that. Look at that box. Girls, keep your heads up. Listen to me. Ooh. This is a Sumber 30-inch wig. I got it in the color Natural Black. I'm gonna wipe this off because that's what I does. Yeah, I don't wear a wig, but if they want to keep sending them to me, guess what your girl gonna do? She gonna put them on your head, and that's what she gonna do. So let's get it open. A little tape here. See if I can tear with my. Oh. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Should I pull back a little bit? Oh, I'm already zoomed down. Oh, I got lashes. I ain't got no lash glue though. But here, they send you some lashes. They send you some lashes. I'm gonna take it out the pack. Y'all can see. See the lashes? They look really pretty though. I just ain't got no glue. I've never had lashes before. I hope they're synthetic. I'm pretty sure they are. But that's the lashes. Cute little thing. Y'all know I'm gonna reuse this. I'm gonna reuse that. So here's the wig. Ooh, it's heavy. It should be 30 inches of hair. I'm gonna wipe this bag out. Let me. So I'm gonna just put the bag in the box over here. It's a cute box. I'm gonna use that box. Well, just put the wig back in it. So it's this kind of closure on the bag. Y'all see a little frosted bag. And y'all know I'm gonna use this bag again too. Here's the wig. Look at that. Oh, this reminds me when I used to work at the hair store. Okay, yes. A wig cap. So this is a wig. It's really pretty. It is synthetic. It has lace at the front. It's a lace part, I do believe. Comes with this wig cap. and it shows you how to put it on. I think that's what it's showing me there. And it's not a stocking cap, but it's a cap nonetheless. I don't really know how to use this kind. So this is how they tell you to put it on. So yeah, so there's an elasticy type end, like it looks like that's the end that goes on your head, and then this end is kind of just plain, like, can y'all see? You might not, but and so they tell you to do it like this. This is what the diagram shows. And I have a big head, so I'm going to have to stretch it to the max. Okay, so they say put it on your neck, and then I got makeup on. Okay, well, and then they say pull it up until it gets where you want it at. But I'm gonna have to work it a little bit because I got makeup on, and I don't want to ruin the makeup because I put the makeup on just to do this video. There you go. Oh, my video premieres in 30 minutes. I better hurry up. Okay, so that's the cap. It is warm. Here's the wigs. Okay. There you go. And this is a 30-inch synthetic. My cap was sticking to my background. Okay. It's really long. So it's pretty though. It's pretty. I wonder if I can put like coconut oil or like grapeseed oil on here, or what. I wonder what I can put on it. And there's a tag inside, so I'm gonna just take that off. So here it is, nice and long. But y'all see the end. It's really pretty. I'm gonna go show my mom. Yeah, so it has a lace part. I think this is a middle part wig, yeah. And it has a lace part. There you see. And so you would just have to trim back this. I'm not gonna really worry about trimming it right now. I'm gonna just put it on. It has two combs in the front on either side of the part, and then you have one comb in the back center, and then you got your two adjustable straps, as you would expect in the back. Let's see if y'all can. I don't know if y'all can see it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I probably won't have to adjust my head. Probably will fill this cap out perfectly and probably be snug on me. So I'm trying to keep it straight. I want to make a good presentation for y'all and for them. Should I look in this or should I look in that mirror? I'll look in here. Oh my gosh, I done started looking like my mama. I'm trying to keep it straight. Okay, so I don't really like my hair parted in the middle, but so I'm gonna put these combs underneath the cap and into my, or well, I'm gonna put the combs in. Gosh, I look like my mom. And I put the back comb in. well. Okay, good. I mean, it's pretty. I look so much like my mom. I don't know what to do. Dang, she long. It's pretty though. Oh, it's cute. It's pretty. So, I don't know. I'm not gonna trim it back right now, but I'm gonna pull this back so y'all can see. So, I'll put it in front so y'all can see. I mean, it's pretty. It's definitely gonna be warm for the winter. Let's see if y'all can see. So I'm 5'4", and this is how far it comes down, right to my waist. Well, my waist is like here. It comes down a little bit further past. I wonder if I should comb it or brush it. I'm gonna put my glasses on. I don't feel like combing it. It really is going everywhere, but it's synthetic, and that's what synthetic hair does. You gotta kind of tame it. But I mean, it's pretty. It is pretty. It is a pretty wig. I think it looks good on me, and I put this black shirt on because I already know I be popping in black. So I'm like, oh, black hair, black top, red mouth. So this is the wig. It's cute. I mean, truthfully, I probably would wear this wig out in public. I ain't gonna lie, especially like when I don't want to do my hair. But COVID though, like I don't want the COVID to get in my wig. COVID up my wigs. But so I'm gonna see if I can tuck this in so y'all can see. Oh yeah, there you go. This way kind of cute. It's getting kind of tangled, but I'll figure that out. It's synthetic and it's 30 inches, so it's like if you don't think this gonna get tangled, like girl, do you know anything about wigs? So that is it. Thank you so much to Summer Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to do this review, and I got me a free wigs. I like it. It's pretty. I'll be wearing this in my videos, and I will leave the link to Summer's Amazon store in the description if you guys want to purchase it. Oh, it was $23.99, which I think that's a very fair price for a 30-inch wig, and it has the lace part. Y'all, that's decent. So anyway, that is look, girl, honey, why my first wig's gotta be 30 inches? It's cute though. It's pretty. I like it. She and I are going to be friends. Had to get a couple snaps for the thumbnail. Thank y'all so much for watching. Do good and be good. I will see you on the World Wide Web.